Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness and I'm here with the nesting deco frame dies. Love this set. This is 4 frames. The largest frame is a true A2, meaning that it is 5.5 inch tall, 4.25 inch wide. You can use it either portrait or a landscape. It has this great detail around the edges that makes it the deco frame, and it gives a nice embossed detail on your project. You can layer up these dies like so with your paper to create a frame. This would be roughly 1/2 inch thick frame. Let me show you an example. I created a quick Thanksgiving card here. This is a landscape card. There is the detail, and then I layered it up with the brand new Gobble Gobble paper pack. For the sentiment, this is Kat's Give Thanks word die set. Lovely. So I'll put details for everything that I'm speaking about below, along with her autumn foliage dies. This is also new in this release. Here I used it just as a frame, and when you stack the 2 dies together like this and run it through your die cut machine, you'll get 2 pieces like so. You get a 2-for-1. I can pop this out, use this as a label on a card, and then keep this as a frame. On this, I could put a piece of acetate behind it and turn it into a shaker card, or just use it as a frame with the give thanks there. Details are listed below. Thanks so much for watching.